Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best flexible hose is probably one of the most underrated yet essential accessories for any Dyson vacuum owner, transforming your cleaning routine by extending reach into previously inaccessible nooks, crannies, and awkward spaces, making tasks like car interiors, high shelves, or intricate furniture detailing significantly easier and more efficient, ultimately saving you time and effort while ensuring a truly comprehensive clean. Number 5. Dyson Vacuum Accessory Kit. Upgrade your cleaning experience with this versatile accessory kit. It provides essential replacement parts and tools to make your Dyson vacuum even more effective. This high-quality kit includes a combination tool, soft hairbrush, stiff bristle tool, flat seam nozzle, and mattress brush. It also comes with necessary adapters and a hose attachment to tackle various cleaning tasks. These replacement attachments are compatible with a wide range of Dyson models, including V6 and DC series. An included V8 adapter allows connection to newer V11, V10, V8, and V7 vacuums, ensuring broad usability. The kit features two specialized adapters. These allow you to connect the attachments to Dyson V11, V10, and V7 models, as well as standard 32mm general attachments for maximum flexibility. The included extension hose offers incredible flexibility, stretching up to 59 inches. It's perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like car interiors, under seats, and air vents, connecting easily to various Dyson models with the provided adapters. Your satisfaction is our priority. If these attachments don't fit your vacuum or meet your expectations, simply contact us for assistance or a full refund. We stand behind our product with a strong warranty policy. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for various cleaning needs. It includes multiple attachments and adapters for broad Dyson compatibility. If you have a diverse range of cleaning tasks, especially for car interiors, you should consider this versatile kit. What people say. Number 4. Dyson Flexible Crevice Tool and Extension Hose Attachments. This accessory bundle transforms your vacuum into a versatile cleaning wizard. It's compatible with many Dyson models, including Gen 5, V15, V12, V11, V10, V8, and V7 series. Elevate your home and car cleaning game with these essential tools. Revolutionize your routine with its heavy-duty flexible crevice tool. This bendable nozzle reaches deep into dryer vents, removing lint and tackling narrow car crevices. It also slips behind appliances, making every corner spotless and your cleaning faster and safer. The extension hose links effortlessly with other non-motorized tools, extending your reach 3 times beyond the standard. It helps you clean under furniture, behind cabinets, and even ceiling fans without moving anything. Its durable construction ensures it won't kink. Level up your cleaning with this flexible extension hose attachment. The crevice tool snaps directly onto your vacuum, or you can connect both pieces for maximum reach. Its quick release button allows for tool-free installation and removal, ensuring a secure fit. This dynamic duo combines two essential accessories at a fraction of the OEM cost. It covers home cleaning, car interior detailing, and crucial dryer vent lint removal for fire prevention. It's also backed by a 12-month replacement warranty and 24-hour customer support. What we like. This bundle features a heavy-duty flexible crevice tool, perfect for tackling hard-to-reach areas. It excels at deep cleaning dryer vents, a critical fire safety measure. If you are looking for specialized tools for detailed car cleaning or dryer vent maintenance, this dynamic duo is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Fullclean Flexible Extension Hose for Dyson Vacuums. This attachment is designed for a broad range of Dyson cordless handheld vacuums. It fits many popular models, ensuring you can enhance your existing cleaning setup. It seamlessly integrates with your non-motorized Dyson accessories. Use it with crevice tools, mattress tools, and various brushes for thorough cleaning. This flexible hose is perfect for tackling hard-to-reach spots. It offers greater maneuverability than standard extension wands, making vehicle interiors, tight crevices, and furniture cleaning a breeze. Setting it up is incredibly simple. It attaches directly to your Dyson vacuum, eliminating the need for any extra adapters or complicated steps. With an impressive extension up to 63 inches, it doubles your cleaning reach. This allows you to effortlessly clean larger areas and previously inaccessible spots. Its quick-release mechanism ensures a secure connection every time. A simple button lock allows for fast attachment and removal, keeping it firmly in place during use. Please note, it is not compatible with V6, SV09, SV03, DC models, or any upright, multi-floor, ball, canister, or corded Dyson vacuums. It is exclusively for specified cordless handheld models. What we like. This extension hose offers an impressive reach, extending up to 63 inches for extensive cleaning. It connects directly to your vacuum, simplifying setup. If you need maximum flexibility and reach for cleaning large areas or high places without hassle, this attachment is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Dyson V7, V15 Flexible Crevice Tool. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution for those hard-to-reach spots. This tool is designed to make deep cleaning effortless, transforming your vacuum into a versatile detailing machine. It works wonders for vacuuming tight crevices in your car, under the refrigerator, and around furniture. Tackle those tricky areas like drawers and vents with ease. Crafted from durable rubber and ABS, it's stiff enough to maintain its shape under strong suction. Yet, it remains incredibly flexible, bending easily in any direction you need. Thanks to its narrower design, this attachment concentrates suction power effectively. You'll find its cleaning performance more than adequate for even the toughest jobs. This essential accessory is fully compatible with your Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, and V15 cordless vacuums. Enhance your cleaning arsenal today. What we like. This flexible crevice tool is designed with a narrower profile for superior access into tight spots. Its robust construction ensures it won't collapse, maintaining strong suction. If you frequently clean very narrow gaps or require a tool that maintains powerful suction in confined spaces, this is a great option. What people say. Number 1. Generic vacuum suction hose for Dyson DC24 upright. Is your Dyson DC24 ball upright in need of a new hose? This generic replacement is specifically designed to be compatible with your model, ensuring a seamless fit. It features one end with an approximate 1.5-inch inner diameter and the other with a 1-inch inner diameter. Please measure your existing hose ends to confirm compatibility. This suction hose assembly stretches out fully to over 10 feet in length. It provides ample reach for all your cleaning tasks, making every corner accessible. Constructed from durable, flexible polymers, it is designed for longevity. This robust material significantly reduces the chances of tearing or ripping during use. Upgrade your vacuum's performance with this high-quality, easy-to-install part. It offers a reliable and effective solution to keep your Dyson running smoothly. What we like. This replacement hose is specifically designed for the Dyson DC24 ball upright model. It stretches out to over 10 feet, offering significant reach for upright vacuum users. If you own a Dyson DC24 and need a durable, extra-long replacement hose for extended cleaning, this assembly is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract specific points due to empty input. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.